Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Germany failed at Normandy. Several critical factors contributed to their defeat. Allied air power dominated the skies, making German troop movements incredibly difficult and dangerous. Furthermore, a convoluted German command structure, with multiple reporting lines, and Hitler's personal interventions created significant delays in their response. These issues combined to severely undermine their defensive efforts against the Allied invasion. The Allies established overwhelming air and naval superiority, which was crucial for their success. German forces, already stretched across various fronts, simply could not match this strength. Adding to their woes, clever Allied deception operations successfully convinced German high command that the main invasion would occur elsewhere, delaying vital reinforcements to Normandy. This strategic misdirection proved incredibly costly. Logistical challenges severely hampered the German defense. They suffered critical shortages of essential supplies like fuel and ammunition, limiting their ability to maneuver and fight effectively. Additionally, resistance movements actively sabotaged German supply lines and communications, further isolating their units. Many defensive fortifications along the Atlantic Wall were also incomplete, leaving significant vulnerabilities for the Allies to exploit. Ultimately, Germany's failure at Normandy was a complex interplay of these factors. Allied air superiority, effective deception, logistical advantages, and a more unified command structure all contributed significantly. Their meticulous planning and execution simply outmatched the German defense, which was plagued by internal disagreements and resource scarcity. This decisive Allied victory paved the way for the liberation of Western Europe. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for these leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.